Chapter 7, QBasic Graphics and Sound. In this chapter we will read about graphics, QBasic 64, that is not a graphic oriented programming language. It was meant to be a learner's language for basic programming techniques. However, with the help of some of its functions, you can achieve some level of graphic quality while keeping in mind the language's power. In this lesson, you will learn about some basic commands supporting the graphic QBasic 64. Before learning the various commands used to display graphics in QBasic 64, the computer screen that you see consists of hundreds of picture elements known as pixels. So students, in other words, a pixel is the smallest possible element of an image on the screen. And resolution of the screen or the image displayed is measured in terms of the pixels present horizontally and vertically on the screen. For example, resolution 320 into 200 for an image would mean 320 pixels in horizontal direction and 200 pixels in vertical direction. Students, there are much more command in QBasic 64, and we are going to learn different commands which is present in QBasic 64 programming. So the different commands in QBasic 64 are as follows. The first one is screen command, second is color command, third is preset command, fourth is line command, circle command, paint command, beep command, and last one is sound command. So the first command is a screen command. And students, to create graphics in QBasic 64, you must first know about the screen command, and all the screen attributes are set by this command. There are different modes in this screen from 0 to 7, and the 0 is the text screen, others are graphics screen. The next command is color command, and the color command is used to change the color of the screen and the text. It is very simple command. You can set the color of the text as well as the screen. There are different color codes available, and by giving these color codes it can be set easily. Next is a preset command. Students, preset command is basically used to display pixels on the screen, and by this pixels can be set in X and Y coordinates. So next is line command, and line command, it draws a line between two specified coordinates. It is very simple that when we have to draw a line or we have to make a box, then we will use line command, and by using this a box can be made. The next is circle command. Circle command is basically used to draw a circle of a specified radius at given coordinates. So this command will be effective only after the screen command to get the display in graphics mode. So the circle command basically draws a circle. Next is paint command. Paint command is used to paint a particular point with the specified color. It means that the command has coordinates that tells QB64 where to start. So you need to use the border color parameter, otherwise paint will cover the entire screen before you use the paint command. So there must be a screen command is declared before paint command. Then beep command is there. It is very simple. It produces a beep sound that lasts about a half a second. So next is sound command, and the sound command is basically used to produce a specific frequency for a specific duration from the PC speaker. And not only one sound can be played at a time. If multiple sound statements are issued sequentially, the next will not be executed until the previous one is finished. So this was all about the commands present in this chapter. We will meet in next chapter. Till then, bye bye. See you. Bye bye.